Hello everyone. In the second part of the video, I'm going to discuss about the contract terms, their fair negotiation, and the reason why it's fair. Let's start with the first one, that is quantity. Fair negotiation. Agreeing on a weekly delivery of 1,000 to 1,500 pounds meets grocery store Inc.'s demand for a steady supply and fits within Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation production capabilities. Why it's fair? This range ensures that grocery store has enough stock to meet consumer demand without overwhelming Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation supply chain, balancing supply with demand effectively. Second is quality of product or service. Fair negotiation. Both parties should agree that vegetables are delivered in a condition suitable for immediate retail sale, necessitating refrigerated transportation. By its fair, ensuring vegetables are fresh upon delivery, maintains product integrity, satisfying grocery stores' quality standards, and also preserving Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation's reputation. Pricing, fair negotiation, a compromise price of around $3.65 to $3.80 per pound for the quantity of 101 to 1,500 pounds seems reasonable. Why it's fair? Because this price is slightly below the maximum vegetable greenhouse corporations is willing to accept, but still provides them a reasonable margin over larger quantities, making it a balanced approach. Next is payment, fair negotiation. Bi-weekly payments would be a suitable agreement. Why it's fair? Because monthly payments would benefit grocery store by easing cash flow management, while more frequent payments help vegetable greenhouse maintain its operational liquidity. Bi-weekly payments meet both needs halfway. Next is deadline. Fair negotiation. Delivery should be made between 4 a.m. and 8 a.m., particularly on weekdays. Why it's fair? This schedule avoids disrupting grocery stores' business hours and is feasible for vegetable greenhouse considering their other logistics. Next is cancellations. Fair negotiation, both parties should agree to a six month cancellation notice. Why it's fair? This gives both parties ample time to adjust their business operations and strategies, reducing sudden operational shocks. Next is condition precedent. For negotiation, Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation must ensure that all vehicles used for delivery meet specified refrigeration standards before commencing the delivery routes. By its fair, this guarantees that the quantity of vegetables is preserved, fulfilling grocery stores' quality requirements and mitigating the risk of spoilage. Next is condition subsequent. Fair negotiation. If either party fails to meet the agreed terms more than 3 times in a quarter, it triggers a mandatory contract review and possible adjustments. Why it's fair? Because this clause incentivizes maintaining high standards and provides a mechanism to address and persistent issues without immediate drastic measures like contract termination. Next is entire agreement, fair negotiation. The contract should state that it represents the entire agreement between the parties, overriding any prior agreements or understandings. By its fair, it ensures that all negotiations are bound in a single document, reducing the potential for disputes over conflicting agreements. Governing law, fair negotiation. The contract should be governed by the laws of the state or province where grocery store is located. By its fair, since the products are delivered and used there, it makes legal proceedings more relevant and accessible to the primary operations of the grocery chain. Last but not the least, venue. Fair negotiation. Legal disputes should be settled in the jurisdiction where grocery store operates. Why it's fair? Because this is practical for grocery store and fair given that the business impact of any dispute would most directly affect operations at the location where the contract is executed. So these are the contract terms that were being discussed in this video. Thank you.